Do you know what kind of water you are using to irrigate your crops? Introducing ZEROPATH, the smart ionization system for agriculture. This is the water many farmers rely on. Specialists took real field samples. What they found was alarming. High bacterial contamination. Here's the certified microbiological analysis before using ZEROPATH. And here's the result after applying the ZEROPATH system. From over 43,000 CFU to less of 3 coliforms. Physico-chemical analyses also revealed improvements in heavy metals. Metals like arsenic sulfates and bicarbonate significantly reduced. Installed easily on 12 volts battery from irrigation systems. ZEROPATH works in real irrigation pipelines up to 12-inch diameter and 110 volts AC. Consuming only 7 watts, extremely energy efficient. After using ZEROPATH, our crops are healthier and we feel safer. Verified producer. Front side and rear views of the ZEROPATH ionizer. Rugged and reliable. A tested and certified solution backed by real field data. Join the movement, make your water safer. Support ZEROPATH now in Kickstarter.